So now let's see how we can work around with text formatting inside of Corel Draw. So to work around with text formatting, first of all, I'm going to go around and bring in a text box right here. And I'm going to type in, let's say, for example, this is a sentence right here, for example, and then go around and I'm going to copy and paste this out. So once I go ahead and then select out, let's say, for example, a particular section right here, I can go around and change around its font, as you can see right here. I can also go around and change around its size around over here, just like this. You can underline it out as well. Depending on whether it gets supported or not, you can go around and set different text formattings to it. For example, you can select this out right here, just like this, and then you can bold this out, you can italicize it out, you can underline it out as well. Apart from that, you can also work around with the horizontal alignment right here, just like this. You can right align, you can fully justify it, or you can force justify everything as well. You can left, center, and right align over here, just like this as well. So if you were to go for none, then it goes for default. Apart from that, you can also go around over here. Let me just go around and expand this. And what you can do is you can select it and turn it into a bullet point around over here as well. Apart from that, you can go for numbered points as well. And you can also go for, let's say, caps right here. That is top cap right here. You can go around and see that these are the options that you have right here. So let's just go around over here and decrease out the font size right here, just like this. And you can see that this is what you have. And that is how you can work around with the text formatting options inside of Corel Draw. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.